Bees. The honeybee. Now I'm drinking this tea is, let me tell you, ginger, turmeric, and chamomile. Chamomile, ginger, and turmeric with honey, sweetened with honey. That's what I got in my cup, and it's not that hot. I love to drink my tea like really, really hot, but it's still warm. I'm just gonna finish it quick. So I came to just say about the bees. If you had a dream about bees, or if you're sitting in your car and a bees trying to come through the little crack in your window, you know how you sit and crack your window sometimes. I had that happen to me once when there was some good news coming, and when I hadn't had good news in a while, and I was sitting there having a sweet conversation on the phone, and the bees was trying, and I stopped the bees from coming in, and my love said to me, oh, no, don't be angry with the bees, don't try to kill the bees came to give you good news. And I stopped and I thought, oh my God, that is so right. When I was a little girl growing up in Jamaica, I do remember the elders, the old ladies, but even my mom, but my mom was like in her 30s at the time, but she's a really wise woman when it come on to plants and herbs and weeds and nature and dreams. My mom is so gifted at that, and she used to always love to see the bees. Yes, because she would get happy that there is good news coming. So I came today. Tomorrow is my birthday, but when it come on to the month of February, the whole month is mine. Oh, it's the 1 month of the year that is the shortest month of the year. I consider February the single month out of how many months? 12 months is the one special month of the year, and I was born in that month. Don't play with it. So I got one of my birthday gifts today, and I love it. So as if you don't know, some already know, I go by QB as well. That's one of my names. QB standing for meaning Queen Billings. My father's last name that I had gotten was Billings, and so as I was in my teenage years, I was called the Queen Billings. And so anyhow, it kind of left me, and then it came back to me years later, and I met someone that was like, oh, I want to give you this name QB. And I'm like, you want to give me the name QB? It's already mine. No problem. So bees, yes, it's a part of my energy. Yeah, and not that long ago, something had happened to bring me to a point where I was kind of going, my energy was going this way, which is down, about the bees. And so I talked to God about it, and this is how God answered me, by giving me a pair of earrings as bees earrings for my birthday. This is one of his answers. So I think I am okay to come and speak and give it to you, the significance or the symbolism of the bees is overall a good one. Yes, it's overall very good. The bees hold a special significance in the Christian religion, and overall, bees signify strength, good news, and you know, as Christians, what do we call the good news when we say share the good news? Share the good news, and the best, goodest, there's no such word as goodest, but the best news of all is the news of Christ. Right? That's the good news. that we should always share is the good news of Christ. So sometimes we can get good news otherwise, like you can get a phone call and say you got the job. You can get called to the office and say, hey, you got that raise that you've been asking for. You can get a call that say, hey, you don't have cancer anymore. There's no more cancer in your body. And bees represent things like that. Let's not forget, bees make the honey of the earth, the sweetness of the earth. Hey, mighty God. Bees make this honey that we can sweeten our everything with. And honey is also very highly spiritual and very healing. Healing for the soul, healing for the body, healing for the mind. They also say you can listen to the sound of bees and heal any damage that you might have in the brain or in your head. Yeah, you can research it. They have captured and recorded and CD'd or chipped the sound of bees just for healing of the mind. So the sun is leaving, and if the sun is going to be leaving, then it's going to get a little bit darkish. So I'm going to try and move, right? And move my, hopefully I don't fall, the thing don't fall. But as I came to, CA is gonna follow me. Don't fall down now. Don't fall down, no. Don't fall down, no. All right. I have it on this little stand, my phone here. It's on the little stand. So, all right. To continue, bees signifies honey, sweetness of the earth, the good news, Jesus Christ himself, Jesus Christ of Nazareth, the healing of the nation. Oh my God. Strength and perseverance. This is things and words that you can associate with the bees. Bees, oh, I got my bees earring for my birthday. So I got some good news coming. I know I got goodness coming. Sweet Savior, bees, is representing the sweet Savior. And we know who that is. That's Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Sweet savor, like the sweet flavor, the sweetness in your tea, in your cake. Well, I have down here, I wrote, bees can be very deadly, oh. As sweet as they even make the sweetness of the earth, they make the honey, and the honey is healing for us. The honey is good. Bees can be deadly too, yes, we know. But overall, bees is good news. It's a good sign, very good sign. And that's it all. I am finished. Once again, this was Annalie QB. I came, I touched. Now let the peace of the Most High Yah that is within me stays within me. Till next time.